Hello guys, welcome to File and Collection 2024, and in this video I'm going to show you guys all my conventional and addressable devices. So to start with, I'm going to show you guys all my conventional devices. So to start with, we've got two Gent S3 Sounders. So there you go, as you can see. As you can see there. This is a C3 IP SNR. So these are both the same. So there we go. Two Gent S3 Sounders. Then we have this is a Protec sounder, newer style Protec sounder. So there's the model number. So it's a Firecroft sounder. And there's the model numbers in that. So there we go. And then we have a conventional call point with Protec on the call point. So there we go. Protec call point. Conventional. There we go. And then we have a KAC Enscape sounder. So we'll take that off. There we go. Model number CWSOWWS1. There we go. And then we have a Zyton conventional smoke detector, optical, Z633P. There we go. And then we have a Zyton Heat Detector, conventional, Z625813P. We have a Nitan conventional detector, optical, EVCP, photoelectric. And then we have Protec 3000, 3000 plus optical heat sensor, so multi-sensor. There we go. And then we have a Tyco conventional heat detector. So this is the 601 HR rate of rise heat detector. There we go. And then we have a Protec 3000. 3000, just an optical detector. There we go. And then we have I've got loads of Apollo optical smoke detectors, so Apollo Series 65 optical smoke. And then I've got a fully on call point without a glass element inside, and it's got a battery connector. There we go. A fully on call point. And then we have an ESP Magfire PSD-2 optical smoke detector. And then we have some more Apollo detectors with covers on. So we have a Series 65 heat detector, you can probably see that. There you go, with a diode. And then optical. And then we have some more Series 65 opticals. There we go. And then we have another Series 65 without a cover. And then we have a Chubb Call Point, conventional Chubb Call Point, which is in the box. There we go, a Chubb Call Point. That's the model number F850804N. There we go. This is a conventional call point with a LED, kind of nice. And then we have another Series 65 with a cover. And then we have, got these quite recently actually, some old conventional Gent detectors. So a couple of these old Gent conventional detectors. These are really sensitive and kind of nice, so I'm going to hopefully put these on a conventional system. So we take the base off, so that's the base. There we go. And here's the back of the Gent detector. So that's the code number 17840-01. There we go. So these are the old Gent conventional detectors, but still very nice and very sensitive detectors. So there we go, got two of those. And then also we've just got a bunch of Series 65 bases which belong with all those detectors for these conventional these Series 65 bases, and some a base for a Roshni sounder. In here as well we have a Tyco conventional optical smoke detector. This is the 601p conventional detector. There we go. Some more bases. I think these are Gent addressable bases, I think. So yeah. And in here we have a relay, a C-Tec remote relay. So there we go. You can see the back of that. So yeah, a relay, very nice. And in here we have a CQR call point. I'll get this out of the box. There you go. So that's a CQR call point, conventional. And I don't know where the model number is, but I think it's over there. Model FP3SCD. There we go. And there's the back box as well inside there. And it also comes with a key as well. I got this call point not long ago as well, so I'm going to hopefully try and put this on the conventional system. And then we have some more Series 65 bases, Tyco base. We have a Zyton addressable base, Gent base, and over here we have a remote indicator. There we go. Got a remote indicator as well, kind of cool. So there we go. Another Gent base. Next we have an Apollo conventional call point, manual call point. This is the conventional version of the intelligent. There we go. So this is the conventional version of the addressable intelligent call point, and the expander ones. So there we go. You can see that very well. But yeah, there we go. And then we have Another new Hochiki sounder. You might be able to see that one. There we go. We've got a Hochiki sounder. There we go. And then we have over here in this box, we have, get the box out, go. We have a Cranford Controls sounder beacon. So this is a FTB32E sounder beacon, and it's a Cranford control one, which is very nice. There's the base. A very nice sounder indeed. So yeah, there we go. Cranford Controls sounder beacon. And then in this box we have a squashy bass sounder in here. So there we go. We have, there's the back cover, the plate to cover on the, put it on the front of this. So there we go, we've got a squashy sounder. There's the labels to change the volumes and stuff. There's the back, and there's the terminals. So yeah, I've got two of these squashy bass sounders. And this is also another one as well, just the same one in this box. So yeah, that's basically all the conventional devices. And we're now I'm gonna show you guys the addressable devices. Now some of these devices that were in the last collection video, such as the C-Tec detector and some other devices, I've even either put them. I'm going to put those up for sale, or I might get rid of those. So yeah, some of the devices that weren't seen in this video, I've either put them, I'm going to sell those, or I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. So yeah, so let's look at the addressable devices. So we're going to look at the addressable devices now that's in this box here. So first device we'll look at the Apollo devices first. So we have Discovery multi-sensor. There we go, Discovery multi-sensor. Then we have Discovery Heat Detector. Then we have XP95 Optical. There we go. Then we have two Apollo Soteria detectors. So there we go, Soteria, got two of these, which are kind of nice. XP95 heat detector. We have an XP95 sounder beacon. There we go. We have an XP95 open area sounder. Open area. Then we have some bases. There we go. We have an XP95 bass sounder. Another Apollo addressable bass. Then we have an XP95 Call Point. There we go. And then we have a new device that's been added recently to the collection, and this is a Notifier, model SDX751EM. Optical smoke detector. Very nice detectors. we have a system sensor, addressable sounder and detector. So this is optical smoke, model number 22051E-26. So yeah, and then this is a sounder beacon, and model number DSS PC-100. So yeah, that's the sounder beacon. And then we have a system sensor base sounder. This is model number BSO PP-100. There we go. This is a base sounder version. And then we have the system sensor sounder beacon, model number WSS-PR-N000. So yeah, this is sounder beacon version. And the other system sensor devices I had in the collection last year are currently installed in the system, so you'll see that system very soon. And then finally, to finish off, we have some Hochiki devices, and then I'm going to show you guys some Gent addressable devices, which is in a separate box. So I've got 5 of these ALGE detectors, so 5 of these, and you can see they've already been addressed and all that. So as you can see, I've got 5 of these with different addresses. So yeah, some more over here, very nice detectors. And then we have some newer ones. So we have got a base sounder beacon, YBOBS BS-2 with a white flash, I think this is. So yeah. And then we have Hochiki ALNEN detector. So yeah, there we go. And then we have a multi-sensor on a base sounder. So we have Hochiki ACC-EN, which is a multi-sensor optical heat detector. And we have a base sounder, which is a YBOBS base sounder. There we go. And the final Hochiki device we have is another ALNEN on a HFP addressable base sounder. So yeah, that's all most of the addressable devices. Now I'm going to show you guys my Gent addressable devices, and then I'll show you guys one last. Then I'll show you guys the conventional panel, and then that's going to be everything for the collection. So yeah. So now I'm going to show you guys my Gent addressable devices, which is in a separate container for Gent addressable devices. So first device we have for the Gent devices, we have a old style 34800 call point, I think it is. So yeah, there we go. There's the terminals. There is 34842 with a glass element. So there we go. And a break glass there. There we go. And then we have a old style Gent 34770, I think it is. Yep, 34770, which is an optical heat detector and sounder. Then we have, I think this is a 34780, which is a heat only and sounder. And then we have I think this is just a sounder, I think. So this one doesn't say which one it is. I think this is just an alarm sounder. I'm not sure on the model number for this. But yeah, this is just a sounder only. And there's the base. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to use these devices on the Gent system because it faults the panel, the nano panel, and you can't really test the sensor bit because it's faulting the panel. But only the sounder bit works. So yeah, another one of these 34770 bases. And then we have over here a Gent S2 sounder. So we have an S2 sounder. There we go. And there's the base, and then the back of it. There we go. So Gent S2 sounder, which looks like a horn style sounder. Then we have a Gent S3 white sounder. So this is a if I can get this off. There we go. This is a S3 SNW, which the W stands for white. This is a sound only and it's white. And it comes with a base. This is a shallow base. So yeah, S3. It looks really nice and white. And then finally we have S-Squads. So we have heat only S-Squad. So this is a S4720, which is a heat only. As you can see, it's all blanked out, it's all white, which means it's a heat only S-Squad. And the heat element is just through there. Got a base as well. Then we have a heat only S-Squad with sounder. So this is a S4780S, which is a heat only and sounder S-Squad. So there we go. And that bit is the sounder bit. So yeah. Then we have a optical heat sensor and sounders. This is the S4711V. So this has a voice sounder in it as well. So it's S4711V, the V stands for voice. So yeah, this is a newer style version 1.20 with newer voice. So yeah. And then we have, I think we've got two of these S4711s, I think. S4711 STVO, which stands for ST stands for strobe, and then VO is voice. So yeah, voice, sounder, and strobe. So you can tell it has a strobe with the little red in the middle of the tube there. So yeah, got two of these. These are strobe and voice S-Squads. Then we have over here we have an S4720 STVO, which is a heat only S-Quad strobe and voice, and you can also tell it's heat as well with the black ring around the S-Quad, which means it's a heat S-Quad. So yeah. And then final S-Quads we have two of these S4711 VAD HPR, which stands for high power rating. It's got red flash. So yeah, just a detector with a VAD, which is very nice. So two of these optical heat sensors. And yeah, that's basically everything for the Gent devices. Obviously I've got some currently installed in the Gent systems. So yeah. So that's basically everything for the collection so far. So I'm going to show you guys one more thing, and then that'll be it for this video. So the final device I have in my collection is the ESP conventional panel, as you can see. ESP magnifier. And yeah, that's everything for the conventional addressable devices. Obviously I've got some currently installed. So yeah, that's going to be it for this collection video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe with videos, this will really help. And thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.